Man, the road, got a road. Yeah, man. So I tell me, say, in September, you have to keep your feelings inside, keep your mouth locked, and focus. Don't react. You have to learn to master your feelings, dog. And left that to a girl, them. And see, a dangerous man, a man become dangerous and valuable when he master in emotion and master the way how people make you feel. Don't make nobody make you feel how you don't want to feel. You have to master that. And it will go straight back to the sender. Anyhow, them want you feel, them will go automatically feel away there. See things and just leave it alone and focus on you. Be the best version of you starting today.